From the raw power of the furnace to the global supply chain, we reveal the systems that drive civilization. This is AJ Factory Flow. Every single day, millions of coconuts begin an incredible journey to become one of the world's purest natural oils. Only the healthiest and fully matured coconuts are chosen to produce premium quality coconut oil.
Skilled harvesters carefully remove mature coconuts without damaging the fruit or the trees.
Once harvested, the coconuts are quickly transported to preserve their freshness and natural oil content. Within hours, the fresh harvest reaches the factory, where advanced technology begins its transformation into pure coconut oil.
Every coconut is inspected to ensure only premium quality fruit contains.
Advanced washing systems remove dirt, dust, and impurities before.
Smart automation sorts every coconut by size and quality.
Powerful automated machines remove the thick outer husk, preparing with perfect precision. Powerful hydraulic machines crack.
Even the fresh coconut water is carefully collected, ensuring that
Automated extraction systems remove the fresh coconut meat quickly.
every piece of coconut meat is carefully inspected to guarantee the fresh coconut meat is finely ground, creating the perfect texture.
Under thousands of kilograms of pressure, the rich coconut milk is extracted, the essential foundation of pure coconut oil. Advanced filtration removes microscopic impurities, creating a perfectly clean coconut milk ready for oil separation. High-speed centrifuges separate the valuable coconut oil from water with incredible precision. Carefully controlled refining preserves the oil's natural purity while enhancing its clarity and stability.
After its final purification, the coconut oil reaches exceptional clarity, ready for quality testing and packaging.
Every batch undergoes rigorous testing to ensure purity.
The purified oil is stored under carefully controlled conditions.
Even the bottles are manufactured with precision, ensuring food.
Every bottle is thoroughly sterilized to maintain the highest standards. Advanced automated filling systems ensure every bottle contains the exact amount.
Every bottle is securely sealed to lock in freshness and protect the purity of the coconut oil. Every bottle receives its identity, ensuring complete traceability from factory to customer. Artificial intelligence checks every bottle, ensuring only flawless products leave the production line. High-speed automation packages every bottle with precision, preparing it for safe transportation around the world. From intelligent storage to global logistics, every shipment is carefully organized before reaching customers worldwide. Each shipment is carefully loaded and secured, ready to begin its journey across the world. From the factory floor to international ports, every shipment moves through a carefully coordinated global supply chain. Within days, the same coconut harvested from a tropical plantation reaches homes and businesses around the world. What began as a fresh coconut on a tropical tree has become a pure, natural oil trusted by millions around the world.
From nature's finest coconuts to a bottle of pure coconut oil, every step reflects precision, innovation, and the dedication of countless skilled hands. This is how coconut oil is made.